Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a special video because as you saw in the thumbnail, I got a new bike and it happens to be a liter class bike. Let's see how many of you can guess which bike it is down in the comments below, and let's see how many of you can guess it right. I actually got this bike around April and I had a chance to bring it out today, finally ride it, properly ride it. I got to tell you, it's fucking crazy. It's damn crazy. And the thing is, it's actually a second-hand bike, but to me it's a new bike basically. I mean, it's pretty new. It's a pretty packed bike. I say packed because the previous owner has added every mod that you can kind of add to a bike. I mean, to 1000cc. Basically, when you get 1000cc, you have to add mods. Here's the big reveal. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, this is the new, my new 2023 ZX10R. Let me know what you guys think about this bike. I mean, many people already knew about it, but to the people who don't know, let me know what you think of the bike. Basically, it has everything, the lever guards, frame sliders, a mid-pipe full system exhaust. I mean, it's decatted, so it's basically a full system exhaust. Titanium, hint of carbon there. This particular bike has 206 horsepower. Basically, ZX10Rs come with 200 horsepower. And this bike has 135 mm of ground clearance. It has a 17 liter tank. I don't know what to say. They even got a tinted windshield, and oh, look at that carbon shine. Oh yeah, it's real carbon too, by the way. Yeah, pretty aggressive. I think the torque, I don't remember the torque. I'll put it here, somewhere here, the torque. But yeah, it has a crazy amount of kick to it. Whenever you just want to push through, it has a crazy amount of kick to it. And I'm not going to be riding the bike in this video. I'm going to film another video, that is the first ride, the official first ride of the bike. And there I'm going to ride the bike just around here, about 7 to 8 minutes riding. But yeah, we start the journey of 1000cc's, and this is the first in the collection. Hopefully it's the first in the collection, not the last. Diablo Rosso Corsa tires. I think the stock one comes with something else, but yeah, it's a 190 and this is 120. There's glass behind, so I don't wanna turn it on, but I'll take it up front and I'm gonna make you hear the exhaust. But yeah, this is my new bike, and let me know in the comments below what you think of this beast right here. It's absolutely a beast. You will see on the first ride what I'm talking about. It's pretty, it's not that hot, but I sweat easily, so it's getting pretty hot out here. And look at that blue light. Oh yeah. Look at that. I don't want it to completely get blue, but I have other plans for the exhaust, which I'm not gonna say now. But for now, yeah, it's a completely packed bike, and I'm just too excited. Okay, the video is gonna cut to me revving the bike and then the first ride. Okay, let's turn on the bike. Huh? Woo! mean, it's on idle, but it's pretty loud if you guys are over here. Whew. Okay, that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one on the first ride. All right, peace.